Hi, this is Mary for Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday, and we're going to be making this great Christmas card. And what we're going to be using is, for the stamp set, we're using Snowman Season. For ink, I'm using Shaded Spruce. For cardstock, I'm using an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Coastal Cabana, and I'm using a 4.25 by 5.5, but you can use a large Flirty Flamingo scrap. Also, I am using two different pages out of the Let It Snow Specialty Designer Series paper. And one of those is going to be this one, and this is 4 by 5.25, and then I am using one of these that has the big snowman without the hat on. Okay, then what else I am using is I am going to be using, of course, glue dots and some stamping dimensionals. And I am going to be using, I know you think this is crazy, I'm using multi-purpose liquid glue. I am also using the Let It Snow embellishment kit. I'm using a hat and a scarf out of the kit. I think I will be using, let's use the let's use the Coastal Cabana, okay? And I am also going to be using the Pretty Label and the Snowman Builder Punch. And let's see, I think that's it. So let's get started. First off, all I'm going to do is I am going to fold this and make it a card base. Take my glue dots, and I'm going to attach the Designer Series paper, the big one, to the Coastal Cabana, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to punch out 2 of the Pretty Labels from the Flirty Flamingo. And then with the shaded spruce, I am just going to, on one of the Pretty Labels that I cut out, I'm going to stamp Let It Snow, okay? Just like that. So you got that. Now let me see if that one fits. You know, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to cut that apart because I don't want, with the builder punch, I don't want to ruin that other snowman because I may want to use that for something else. So I'm going to take that snowman and I'm going to put a piece of Post-it note on, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the Snowman Builder Punch and I'm just going to align it up with that Post-it note. It makes it a lot easier, okay? And there we go. Oh, I got a pretty little hat out of that one too. But I am going to use, where's the Flirty? There it is, the Coastal Cabana. I'm going to attach the scarf and a hat. Wish they had more hats. I like the hats. And I am just going to put these on because I found that because of the glitter, the glue dots don't work as well. I'm going to put this scarf on, and then I'm going to attach the hat. I'm going to let it dry for a few minutes. Just sitting there like that. While I'm doing that, I'm going to put some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of both of the Flirty Flamingo Pretty label. Okay. And they're going to go like this. And then when I can, I am going to, oops. Ah! I hate liquid glue. Even liquid glue is not staying pretty. So I'm just going to put glue dot here, or a Stampin' Dimensional here. I'll use some more glue and glue it on when it gets on. And I'm going to glue that onto there. It fits right on the bottom. So I'm going to glue this on, and then I'll glue the hat and the piece of scarf on. And let's go down just a little bit more. Okay. Put a little bit more on here, and then I'm just going to leave it alone. Now I got liquid glue on my fingers, and so it's taking the hat off because I got more glue on my fingers than the hat. I just hate that. Let me just put a glue dot on here, or two. And then I'm going to take this off, the Stampin' Dimensionals off on this. And there you go. Just a great Christmas card. You can even put a Merry Christmas inside, or just write your Christmas greeting there. So remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to know about this card and where to get all the products is down below. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.